Hey guys, so get ready with me as I do my makeup. First of all, disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist. I just learned. I've really even fallen off since COVID. I just really getting back into glamming up myself and putting in that extra oomph when it comes to applying makeup and all that. So this is just me having to go around and do some errands. I gotta look like people. So I put on a little light bit of my Fendi full coverage foundation. Just filling in my eyebrows. Not foundation, my Fendi powder is what I use. I didn't use my foundation because like I said, it was just light. Just been playing with concealing, using concealers. Been watching a lot of TikTok videos and now I'm learning for me 2 shades lighter than my foundation is the best. Because I ain't trying to look like no ghost. One of my other videos, I feel like I had to look like a ghost. Ain't none of y'all ain't noticed, but I had to feel like I had to look like a ghost. For me, I like my makeup to just look more natural. I probably can take like a makeup one-on-one class. I always want to do one because like I want to master like a natural, smoky, everyday look, like something that could go with like any occasion that just look like a light glam. That's what I want to do one day, hopefully. This is just me doing my blending, and trust me, blending and all of that is take so long. Of course, me using my Tease Beauty bake thing. I don't know what to call it. I think it's something like bacon. I like the I like to buy makeup stuff and I don't be into all of that. But anyway, I just love to buy them. I love to try it. And I think I'm going to play more with my makeup. And for those who watch my lash video for beginners and say they still can't do lashes, this is something that I bought that I always use before I even know how to put on my lashes. It's a two-step lash where you have your mascara and the fiber. The fiber what's in the white container helps to extend your lashes to make you look like you have on false lashes. And I like it for my last minute get readies when I don't want to really put on lashes. Just lining up the inner eye to give me like a little dark in it. Of course, I use my Juvia, and that is the bronzer for actually your eyebrows, but you can also use it as eye dark eyeshadows as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my content. Makeup, this is like a big deal actually doing makeup on video because I believe I am not a professional. I am a beginner when it comes to makeup. So hope you guys like my look. Bye.